ovulation बहुत ही कुत्ती चीज होती है. I'm telling you, because when you're ovulating, you will desire people जिनको तुम normally ऐसा देखोगे भी नहीं. Okay, I feel being a woman is 70% overthinking and 30% pretending to say I'm fine, I'm good, nothing is gonna happen, everything is good, all is well, all is well. If all is well, then इतने सारे भीषण भयंकर questions तुम लोग के पास आते कहाँ से हैं? You guys keep asking me questions in my YouTube comments, in my Instagram comments, as well as my DMs. तो मुझे क्या लगा कि best idea होगा कि मैं मेरे Instagram story पे question box post करूँ, and then you can paste your questions there or ask your questions there. मेरे को लगा normal questions होंगे which woman to woman I can answer, but जैसे ही मैंने वो questions देखे, जैसे वो questions आते जा रहे थे, I was like माँ कसम कितने बोल्ड हो तुम लोग यार, तुम लोग क्या कैसा कैसा क्वेश्चंस पूछते हो यार तुम लोग मेरे से. एंड एट दिस पॉइंट यू नो व्हाट, आई एम गोना आंसर ऑल ऑफ देम, क्योंकि मेरे में भी चर्बी बहुत है. आई लव बीइंग अनहिंज्ड, बट दैट आल्सो मींस कि माय पेरेंट्स, माय कजिन्स, माय फ्रेंड्स आर गोना वॉच दिस वीडियो एंड देन दे आर गोना बी लाइक यार सोनाली सीरियसली इतना ज्यादा ट्रांसपेरेंट होने कौन बोला देखो. एंड आई एम प्रीटी श्योर दे आर गोना डिसोन मी. तो प्लीज अपने घर में एक रूम मेरे लिए खाली रखना, 2 वक्त की रोटी कपड़ा सब रखना मेरे लिए, बिकॉज मैं बैग पैक करके तुम लोग के वहां पे आने वाली हूँ. बट ऑन दी सीरियस नोट बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस है एंड आई वांट टू कवर एज मेनी क्वेश्चंस एज आई कैन इन दिस वीडियो, क्योंकि मेरे लास्ट कन्फेशन वीडियो के बाद तुम लोगों ने मुझे बोला कि यार दी आपने मेरा वाला कन्फेशन तो पढ़ा ही नहीं. तो मैं कोशिश करूंगी जितने हो सके मैं सारे टॉपिक्स कवर करूं, बिकॉज आई थिंक दिस वीडियो इज डेफिनेटली गोना हेल्प अ लॉट ऑफ गर्ल्स. एंड yes, let's unpack the trauma, the drama, and the emotional damage together. I'm gonna start with a light question and धीरे धीरे मैं लेवल बढ़ाने वाली ताकि स्टार्टिंग में तुम लोग ऐसा ना हो जाओ. ठीक है, so let's start with the first question. Do you actually ever get over your first love or do you just replace them? Okay, interesting. अभी क्या होता है ना, तुम्हारा जो पहला प्यार होता है ना, it's like your first, okay? This is the first time you're feeling things, your hormones are all over the place. You are like इतना कुछ रश हो रहा है तुम्हारे बॉडी में, ओके, एंड दैट फीलिंग इज वेरी सरियल. यू कैन ऑब्वियसली फील दैट अगेन विद समवन एल्स, बट जब तुम वो फर्स्ट टाइम फील करते हो, इट्स ऑलवेज गोना बी वेरी इनोसेंट, वेरी प्योर. एंड तुम्हारा फर्स्ट लव यूजुअली तुम्हारा टीनेज के टाइम ही होता है, योर फर्स्ट लव / योर फर्स्ट क्रश, सो दैट मेमोरी इज ऑलवेज गोना बी रजिस्टर्ड इन योर ब्रेन एंड you can forget them when if they are not a good person. Like if that person is a horrible person, अंदर से बाहर से इंसान मादरचोद आदमी है, तो तुम कोशिश कर सकते हो हेट करने का कि यार shit यार, that person was pathetic, like what did I even see in him or what did I even see in her, like ew मुझे नहीं, like it's horrible. तब तुम डिस्गस्ट से वो पर्सन के बारे में सोच सकते हो. बट इफ द पर्सन इज अ गुड पर्सन, इफ द पर्सन एंड यू like you guys have good memories together, and whenever you think about that person you have this smile on your face, you blush thinking about that person and you feel like यार क्या ही बंदा था वो, यार क्या ही बंदी थी वो, she was a special person. So in that case I won't say कि तुम move on नहीं कर पाते हो, तो move on कर पाते हो. You meet people in life and you finally find your soulmate, your one true love and everything, बट वो मेमोरी स्पेशल रहेगा ही. एंड कैसा ना, मोर देन दैट पर्सन, द मेमोरीज यू हैव अबाउट दैट पर्सन ना, तो वो नहीं भूल पाते हो. दैट इज ऑलवेज देयर इन योर खोपड़ी. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, डू यू एवर फील गिल्टी फॉर लाइकिंग अटेंशन फ्रॉम गाइज व्हेन यू आर टेकन? सो इफ आई एम इन अ रिलेशनशिप, what is important for me is I should love myself, I should feel that I'm beautiful, and my partner should think that. Okay, as long as that is happening, it's fine. But human psychology कैसा होता है मैं तुमको बताती हूँ. Okay, अगर तुम रोड में चल रहे हो, you are dressed up, you are looking pretty, सब तुमने अच्छे से किया है and तुम जा रहे हो, and कोई लड़का घूम के तुमको देख रहा है, he is like, oh, you won't be like अबे चूतिया क्या देख रहा है. You will feel good. Obviously अगर कोई ऐसा टपोरी आदमी ऐसा देख के ठरकी नजरों से देखे, तुम obviously उसको बोलोगे कि अबे चूतिया क्या देख रहा है. But if some decent classy guy is looking at you like wow, like she's so pretty, you will feel good. तुम अगर बोल रहे हो नहीं मेरे को तो ऐसा फील नहीं होता है, मैं तो गांधी जी का एक बंदर हूँ, मेरा तो आंख बंद रहता है, मुझे कुछ दिखता नहीं. You will feel good. Why? Because as humans we crave for validation from people. So the minute you love yourself, you feel, oh, I'm beautiful, I'm pretty and all that stuff. But the minute a second person is looking at you and saying ki wow yaar kya dikh rahi hai, so pretty, you will feel good about it. So even if you're taken, even if you're single, irrespective of that, if a guy is hitting on you, if a guy is like, oh my god, I'm so in love with you, you're so pretty, you will feel good about it. But हाँ, feel good तक ही रखना है, उसके बाद ये नहीं करना है कि oh my god, ये तो मेरे पे लाइन मारा, चलो मैं डबल लाइन मारती हूँ, वो सब बकचोदी नहीं करना है, ठीक है? This is a spicy one, okay? I want to answer this full on दिल से, but my parents watch the video, यार. Okay, fine, mom, dad, I know you're watching this video, so my answer is for education purpose, okay? Please understand and don't disown me, okay? I love you guys very much. Okay, now I'm going to read the question. Do you get horny during, how am I pronouncing it? Let me read it again. Do you get horny during your periods? Is it normal? During my periods, I don't, okay, because I'm dying in pain. I'm like that. मैं ऐसे रहती हूँ मेरे periods के time. I'm telling you, I'm not joking. I'm like that during my periods. My legs are somewhere, my head is somewhere. I don't know what it is. But before my periods, oh my god, I will just be like, I'll tell you, ovulation बहुत ही कुत्ती चीज होती है. I'm telling you, because when you're ovulating, you will desire people जिनको तुम normally ऐसा देखोगे भी नहीं, okay? And you will feel like, what the fuck is wrong with you? So yes, 100% before periods, yes, you when you're ovulating and all, you do feel a lot of things. There's a lot of rush in your body, and you will be like, oh my god, why am I feeling that? Ew, 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 ew. And then एक दो दिन बाद तुमको periods हो, and then you're like, oh, that's why, you know. So it's totally normal. During my periods, I don't. But my friends have told me that they do. So yeah, maybe that's normal, but मुझे तो वैसा होता नहीं. But before periods and after periods, बवाली बवाल मच जाता है भाई, तन मन धन बदन सब में. Next question is, do you secretly hope that your ex is unhappy without you? Yes, I hope. I'm not one of those people who will be like I wish him well, you know. वो जहाँ भी हो वो खुश हो, उसकी खुशी में मेरी खुशी है. नहीं, उसके दुख में मेरी खुशी है. I'm telling you, मैं बता रही हूँ. I'll tell you guys, okay? I will definitely make a detailed video on my dating history, because I have learned a lot from my relationships, and I'm telling you, you girls and you guys can also learn from my cunts, okay? But I'll tell you, कैसा ना, वो मेरे relationships जो थे, उसमें मैं इतनी पागल हो गई थी, लाइक पगलेट हो गई. एंड उसके बाद द आफ्टर इफेक्ट्स, लाइक ब्रेकअप के बाद द वे यू परसीव अदर पीपल, अदर रिलेशनशिप्स, वो इतना ट्रॉमा बैठ जाता ना कि साल लगते वो ट्रॉमा से हील होने के लिए. थेरेपी, सेल्फ हेल्प बुक्स एंड एवरीथिंग. एंड आई एम लाइक, भाई अभी मैं जो पोजिशन में, इट इज बिकॉज मैंने खुद पे बहुत मेहनत की है. एंड आई एम नॉट गोना विश वेल फॉर दीज पीपल. आई एम लाइक, भाई डूब मरो, आई डोंट केयर, बिकॉज ओ माई गॉड, लाइक why would you wish well for your ex? हाँ, अभी अगर ऐसा है कि your ex was really a good person, तुम लोगों ने म्यूचुअल डिसीजन लेके ब्रेकअप किया, देन ठीक है, देन yes, you will wish well for you. In my case नहीं भाई, डूब मरो, कुत्ते की मौत मरो, I don't care. ज्यादा हो गया ना, but I am extreme, you know. I'm very vengeful. I'm a Scorpion, so fellow Scorpions, say hi in the comments. इतने interesting questions तुम लोग पूछ रहे हो ना कि अब मुझे मजा आ रहा है. Like as the video is going, मुझे और मजा आ रहा है. Hope तुम लोग को भी मजा आ रहा होगा. Please tell me what you're feeling in the comments, okay? मैं कभी-कभी comments बोलती हूँ, कभी-कभी comments बोलती हूँ, कभी-कभी मैं content बोलती हूँ, कभी-कभी मैं content बोलती हूँ. I don't know what's wrong with me, but just bear with me, okay? This question is, how to stop being a people pleaser with men? ठीक है? Simple है. If you want to stop being a people pleaser, you have to start saying no more often. ठीक है? अब क्या होता है ना, especially when it comes to men, you feel like, oh my god, I like this guy or I like this guy as a friend. तो अगर उसने कुछ sexist joke मार लिया, कुछ बकवास बोल दिया, कुछ really derogatory बोल दिया, तुम्हारे mind में first instinct आएगा to call him out. कि यार भाई क्या बकचोदी कर रहा है, this is not right, or you know, to tell him that this is not how you should behave. But you will be like, oh my god, अगर मैंने ऐसा बोला, this person will stop hanging out with me, he might not be friends with me anymore, or he may not like me. तो ये सब fear की वजह से ना, you start being more easy going. अब वो सामने वाले को लगेगा, चल यार इसका सामने तो मैं कुछ भी बोल सकता हूँ, this person does not have strong boundaries, I can talk to her the way I want to. And then that person will start crossing boundaries left and right, and एक दिन तुम इतना exhaust हो जाओगे, and when you finally will call that person out, he'll be like, अभी क्यों इतना तेवर दिखा रही है, पहले तो तेरे को प्रॉब्लम नहीं था. ऐसे मेरे साथ भी होता था. I was a high level people pleaser. भाई मेरे को तो ऐसा था कि मतलब I am confrontational, but if I really love the person, I will be like, fuck, let me not call this person out. And उसके चक्कर में माँ कसम मेरे को जो doormat level का treatment मिला है ना, I was like, भाई, I need to stop being over the top nice to people. Like I will be kind, okay, I will always be kind because that's how I am. I'm an empathetic kind person. But if the person is acting like smart or over smart ban raha hai, bakchodi kar raha hai, I will be like nahi bhai, I can't entertain this. I will call that person out, and it's okay if I lose that, if I have to lose that person in my life, because if that person doesn't want to improve, if I'm calling him out and he's like bhaad mein ja, I don't care. Okay, so start saying no, set boundaries. Trust me, that will do wonders. So we have another spicy question, so let me read it. Have you ever stayed with someone just for the intimacy and not love? Yes, yes, yes. होता है. Intimacy, attachment. Sometimes you assume intimacy and attachment for love, and you're like, oh my god, if I stop talking to this person, I don't know how to live, because I'm so attached to this person. I'm so close to this person physically, emotionally. So I don't know how to figure out my life without this person. So how do you know whether it is attachment or love? You have to test it. You have to test the waters, and that's how you will understand. But yes, I've done that, and I'm not proud of it, because when you stay with someone just for the emotional or physical intimacy, temporary basis, you will feel amazing, you will feel good. But if you are a person who is like really emotional, sensitive, you will crave for love, you will crave for validation, you will crave for consistency, okay, and that you will not get from that person. So then eventually you have to leave. Okay, अब ये जो question है ना, it is gonna make me sound like I'm not a morally correct person. I'm very unethical, but it's okay. We are humans, we are flawed, so I'm just gonna answer. Okay, the question is, do you secretly love the thrill of being wanted by someone you shouldn't want? Yes, I do. Especially if that person is someone who I find attractive, but I know that I do not want to be with this person for XYZ reasons, but this person wants me, he's craving for me, he desires me. I like it. I'm going to be very honest, and yes, that makes me toxic. I know that. I'm not a perfect person. I'm flawed, and this is my toxic trait. The next question is, why do women wish that they could be quiet and mysterious instead of the funny, loud one? Because that's how we are conditioned since our childhood. Now, in my case, I've always been this loud, chaotic one thanks to my ADHD. बचपन से मैं ऐसी हूँ, ठीक है? And मुझे बचपन से ही बोलते थे, like, laugh like a woman, be shy, be नजाकत लौड़ा लहसुन सब रहना चाहिए तुम में, and be more calm, be more composed and collected, be more feminine. And I tried, I'm not gonna lie, I tried that. Okay, I also tried that when I had to impress this guy who I really liked. It didn't work. Just imagine me being, and I'm not dissing girls जिनका ऐसा nature है. It's very simple. Do you expect a shy girl who's like very shy, who's very feminine to be like me? No, right? And how can you expect me to be like her? Now imagine me being like, hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube. तुम लोग मेरे को बोलोगे भाई क्या हो गया तेरे को, बुखार आ गया क्या तेरे को? Like obviously, and this is what people in my family, they were expecting me, like be more laugh like that. I can't laugh like that. I can't. Okay, I just can't. So I tried that because I was like, being mysterious is sexy, and trust me, being mysterious is sexy, but I can't. मेरे को नहीं होता है. मैंने try किया. Would you date a guy who earns less than you if he treated you perfectly? Of course, I've always dated guys who earned, similar salary जितना मेरा है या फिर मेरे से भी कम, and even guys who were not earning at that point, because मेरे को लग रहा था कि यार इन लोगों में potential है, they are ambitious, कुछ कर लेंगे इन लोग अपना career में, इन लोगों का nature अच्छा है. For me, the person has to be very emotionally rich. ठीक है, like मैं ऐसा नहीं बोल रही हूँ कि नहीं भाई मुझे ही कमाना है, तू कुछ मत कर, तू घर पे बैठ, ऐसा मेरा प्रेफरेंस नहीं है. मेरे को चाहिए कि वो भी कमाए, मैं भी कमाए, हम दोनों मिल बांट के कमाए, मिल बांट के रेस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज डिवाइड करें, नॉट अ प्रॉब्लम. हाउस होल्ड चोर्स, फाइनेंशियल रेस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज, नो प्रॉब्लम. बट ऐसा कभी नहीं था मेरे को कि मेरे को अमीर ही लड़का चाहिए, बिकॉज आई डोंट नो, लाइक आई थिंक टू ईच इट्स ओन. Many people keep telling me कि नहीं यार, find a guy who will give you a luxury lifestyle because love goes in the backseat, nature. But I'm like नहीं यार, with the right person love can never go in the backseat. शायद वो honeymoon phase खत्म हो जाए, शायद वो spark dull हो जाए, but that love will always be there. And I feel if a person is emotionally rich, if he is emotionally content, and if he's a good person, like a genuinely good person who's ambitious, who knows his shit, who knows what he wants to do in life, I mean that's like a turn on for me, man. I mean, I will consider that guy over his bank balance. This question, it's very funny because I've done certain things like that. Have you ever posted a thirst trap for one specific person and pretended it was casual? Ma kasam, yes. Okay, so what I used to do, earlier, I really liked this person and I wanted him to see like how hot I am, because he has always seen me in these loose t-shirts, trousers and everything. So one day I just wore an outfit like this, something something like this, I think it was something more sluttier. मैंने बाल खोला ऐसा earrings डाला and ऐसा वाला selfie लिया with my lip gloss and everything, and ऐसा ना मैंने ना सीधा मेरे WhatsApp status पे डाल दिया, and I hid everyone except for that person. And फिर पूरा दिन चूते जैसा मैं मेरा status check कर रही हूँ कि अभी देखेगा ये, अभी देखेगा ये, अभी देखेगा. Finally उसने देखा and he was like, nice picture. Like, don't you think WhatsApp is like too personal? तेरे family वाले देख रहे होंगे. And I'm like, yeah, like they're very used to it. उसको क्या पता कि मैंने सिर्फ उसके लिए रखा है. But then उसने reply किया and he was like, you're looking so pretty, you're looking so hot. And I'm like, बहुत ज़्यादा validation मिल गया मेरे को वो दिन. But yeah, I have done such things a couple of times, and am I proud of it? No. But did I enjoy doing it? Maybe. Yes, of course. This question is, have you ever faked it as a woman, emotionally or physically, just to protect someone's ego? Not to protect someone's ego. मेरा काम नहीं है किसी का ego protect करना, but I have faked it emotionally and just to stop that person. Like, just get it done and just shush, you know, like bus, enough now. So kabhi that is important, because if you don't fake it, that person, you can just keep going on, and then you will be like, bas kar bhai, bas kar. So I've done that just to protect my sanity. I've done that, not to protect someone's ego. Guys, I am gonna get disowned. Please keep one room ready for me. I think I'm gonna do more 1 or 2 questions and then that's it. Okay, I'm gonna keep the rest of the questions for part 2. Please bear with me. Please understand me. Okay. This question is, have you ever felt replaced in your girl group but said nothing? Yes, once I did, and I'm gonna give you a bit of a backstory. I'm also gonna make a detailed story time if y'all want to hear that. Let me know in the comments. So basically क्या हो गया था, मेरा ये first proper college का friend group था, and they were amazing people. Okay, I enjoyed with them, but college का जब college खत्म हो गया, I was going through this breakup which really affected me. I was having this one big ass depressive episode for months, and उसका side effect क्या हो गया कि I did not feel like meeting anybody. मुझे किसी को मिलना पसंद नहीं था, किसी से बात करना पसंद नहीं था, and they used to make a lot of plans to meet up, to video call and everything, and I used to avoid them. I felt like it's not right that I'm avoiding them and I'm not letting them know my situation. So मैंने उनको बोला कि भाई क्या चल रहा है, and वही phase में ना और भी बहुत सारे incidents हुए मेरे life में which kind of fucked me up here. Okay, so I did not want to have one human interaction in my life. Okay, I think that's when I started becoming socially anxious, and अब तक उसका side effects lingering है. But I told these guys, okay, and they felt ignored, rightfully so. And then they were like, okay, initially they were like, okay, fine, let's meet, blah, 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 blah. And then suddenly they stopped inviting me and everything, which is fine because I stopped going. But eventually they cut me off, okay? Like, they made a lot of other plans, and eventually when I started feeling better, I told them that, hey, listen, I'm feeling better now and everything. And they were like, yeah, oh my God, let's make plans. And ऐसा बोलते थे मेरे को दिलासा देने के लिए, but then whatever plans they made, they never included me. And I did confront them about it. I was like, listen, I was not feeling good, and I did tell you all, so that's why I did not meet you all. And then they were like, nahi, but tu hum logo mili nahi, हमने तेरे साथ तेरे को इतना बुलाया, blah. But छूती हो, मेरे दिमाग में कुछ चल रहा है. I'm kind of trying to seek therapy here. I'm not in the right mind. Can you not understand? But they were like, नहीं, हमारे life में भी बहुत कुछ चल रहा है. And this is what I hate. Okay, सबके life में कुछ ना कुछ चलता रहे. Fucking communicate. When I am telling you my problems, don't be like, मेरे life में कुछ चल रहा है. Fucking idiots. So उसके बाद I was like, ठीक है, match हो जाओ. I can get better friends, and I did get better friends, you know. So win-win situation for me. But yeah, I have been cut off, and it hurts like a bitch, especially when it is your female friends cutting you off. Yes, it hurts. कुत्ती चीज होती है. The last question is, would you tell your friend if a boyfriend was hitting on you? 101%. पहले तो मैं उसकी boyfriend की वाट लगा दूंगी. मैं बोलूंगी, छुदे तेरी इतनी हिम्मत कैसे हुई कि you have an amazing girlfriend and yet you're hitting on me. फिर मैं जाके उसकी friend को बोल दूंगी. Real life में ऐसा situation हुआ था एक बार जब मैं college में थी. मैंने मेरी friend को जाके बोला कि तेरा boyfriend देख कैसा बकचोदी कर रहा है. पहले तो वो भड़क गई उस पे ये, then again उनका patch up हो गया, and then I became the villain. How is it my problem? मैंने तो तेरे बॉयफ्रेंड पे जाके लाइन में नहीं मारा, बट देन शी वाज लाइक, ओ माय गॉड, सोनाली जाके सबको बोल रही है कि मेरा बॉयफ्रेंड उसके पीछे है. मैंने किसी को जाके नहीं बोला, मैंने सिर्फ तेरे को जाके बोला, बिकॉज आई रियली वांटेड यू टू गेट आउट ऑफ दैट रिलेशनशिप. If your boyfriend is hitting on me, he might be hitting on 10 other girls. Why do you want to date such a guy? But ठीक है, जाओ बकचोदी करो, मेरा बाबू शोना, all that करो. But yeah, it's always good to tell your friend and confront her boyfriend. But even after that, your friend is like, oh, no, my baby. गांड मराने दे. Like don't bother. I'm telling you, life is too short to entertain such people. So with that हमें वीडियो के एंड में आते हैं. मुझे बहुत मजा आया. तुम लोगों ने बहुत सारे चटपटे क्वेश्चंस मुझे पूछे, और भी ज्यादा चटपटे क्वेश्चंस बाकी है which I'm gonna keep for part 2 if I want a part 2. ठीक है. एंड अगर आपके पास और क्वेश्चंस है तो प्लीज कमेंट्स करो. ठीक है, कमेंट्स करो, प्लीज कमेंट करो या फिर मुझे डीएम करो. एंड आई रियली होप दिस वीडियो वाज हेल्पफुल. योर क्वेश्चंस वर आंसर्ड. कुछ डाउट्स है, कुछ कंसर्न्स है, प्लीज अगेन कमेंट करो. आई विल डेफिनेटली रिप्लाई टू ऑल ऑफ यू गाइज. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो. आई विल सी यू अगेन इन द नेक्स्ट वन. बाय.